Hello, friends. Today, we're jumping into the exciting world of NFTs, non-fungible tokens investing in digital art. Have you ever thought about making money from digital art? It's not just a dream anymore. Like we showed you simple ways to earn with how to make and sell websites. We're going to simplify NFTs for you. Hit that subscribe button and be part of our Millionaire Ventures online family. Remember how we unlocked the secrets of earn $200 per day on Google Maps? We're bringing the same straightforward, no-nonsense approach to NFTs. Join us and our friend Alex, who's just as curious as you are about turning digital art into dollars. We're going to walk through everything. What NFTs are, how you can start investing in them, and the smart ways to make money. We've got all the easy steps, the best websites, and the handiest tools ready for you. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to step into the digital art market and start making profits. Ready to turn art into income? Let's dive into this digital treasure hunt. How to start making money with NFTs. Why are NFTs a fantastic opportunity for making money online, and what are the steps to start investing in them? Embarking on your NFT journey opens doors to a new era of digital art investment, blending the worlds of creativity and technology. This exciting venture is a path to potential profits in the digital art market. Let's demystify NFTs and break down the process into approachable steps, ensuring you can confidently invest and profit in this innovative space. Step 1: Understanding NFTs. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the concept of NFTs. Think of them as exclusive digital certificates for artwork. Owning an NFT means having a unique, verifiable piece of digital art, distinguishing it from the common images found online. Step 2: Why digital art is valuable. Learn why digital art can be a lucrative investment. Like rare physical art pieces, digital art's value often lies in its rarity and demand. This unique aspect of digital art is what drives its potential as an investment. Step 3: Entering the NFT market. Start your investment journey in NFT marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. These platforms are akin to digital art galleries, where you can discover, buy, and sell NFTs. Step 4: Selecting promising artworks. The key to success lies in choosing the right digital art to invest in. Focus on art from emerging artists or pieces generating buzz in the NFT community. Stay abreast of trends to identify artworks that hold promise for appreciation in value. By understanding these core elements, you are well equipped to navigate the world of NFTs and harness the opportunities it presents for digital art investment. Setting up for your NFT journey. How can you start investing in NFTs? Let's get you set up for success. Alright, now that you're familiar with what NFTs are, it's time to gear up for your investment journey. Investing in NFTs is a lot like starting a new adventure in the world of digital art, and we're here to guide you every step of the way, making sure it's as easy as master SMS marketing. Step 1: Choosing a digital wallet. First things first, you need a digital wallet. This is where you'll store your NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your online bank for digital assets. MetaMask and Trust Wallet are great options that are user-friendly and secure. It's like setting up a PayPal account for your digital transactions. Step 2: Acquiring cryptocurrency. To buy NFTs, you'll need cryptocurrency like Ethereum, which is commonly used on NFT platforms. Buying cryptocurrency is straightforward. You can purchase it on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. It's similar to buying stocks online. You set up an account, deposit funds, and you're ready to go. Step 3: Connecting to NFT marketplaces. Now, link your digital wallet to NFT marketplaces. Platforms like OpenSea or Rarible are where the magic happens. This step is like linking your bank account to an online store, allowing you to buy and sell digital art effortlessly. Step 4: Making smart bids. Once you're all set, it's time to start bidding on NFTs. Learn the art of smart bidding. Watch for trends, understand the value of art pieces, and don't rush. Patience and research can lead to profitable investments. Navigating the NFT investment landscape. What strategies can make you a smart investor in the world of NFTs? As we delve deeper into the world of NFTs, remember that investing here is more than just buying digital art. It's about understanding the market and making informed choices, just like we explored savvy strategies in Forex trading simplified. Let's break down how you can be a smart player in the NFT space. Step 1. Diversify your portfolio. Just like we wouldn't advise putting all your money in one stock in crypto arbitrage unveiled. The same goes for NFTs. Spread your investments across various artists and styles. This way, you balance your risk and increase your chances of finding a gem. Think of it as creating your own digital art gallery, with a collection of different, unique pieces. Step 2. Timing is everything. In the NFT world, timing can make or break a deal. Keep an eye on market trends and learn the best times to buy and sell. Some NFTs gain value quickly, while others might be a longer-term investment. Use tools like nonfungible.com to track market movements. Step 3. Join the community. The NFT community is bustling with insights and updates. Engage in forums and social media groups. These communities are treasure troves of information, where you can learn from experienced investors and artists, similar to how we networked in P2P Mastery. Step 4. Stay informed. The NFT market is ever-changing. Stay up to date with the latest trends and news. Follow NFT influencers, subscribe to Digital Art News, and watch the market to make informed decisions. By mastering these strategies, you're setting yourself up for success in the dynamic world of NFTs. Up next, we'll explore the risks and rewards of NFT investing, so you know exactly what to expect. Understanding risks and rewards of NFT investing. What are the key things to know about the risks and rewards when investing in NFTs? Investing in NFTs, like any venture, involves balancing the thrill of potential rewards with the reality of possible risks. It's about being smart and cautious, much like the approach we took and earned $200 per day on Google Maps. Let's dive into what you need to know to navigate this space safely and successfully. Step 1. Know the risks. The NFT market can be unpredictable. Prices can skyrocket, but they can also plunge. Understand that the value of NFTs depends on factors like artist reputation, rarity, and market demand. Keep an eye on market trends and be prepared for fluctuations. Remember, not every NFT will be a hit, and some might lose value over time. Step 2. Avoiding pitfalls. Common mistakes include investing without research, following hype without understanding the art, and overestimating the market. Do your homework before investing. Look into the artist's background, previous works, and their presence in the NFT community. Don't just follow the crowd, trust your judgment and insights. Step 3. Measuring success. Success in NFT investing isn't just about quick profits. It's about building a diverse portfolio and making strategic choices. Track the performance of your NFTs, understand market trends, and adjust your strategy as needed. Sometimes, holding on to an NFT longer can yield better returns. Step 4. Ethical investment. Consider the ethical aspects of NFTs. Are the artworks original? Is the artist fairly compensated? Ethical investing not only aligns with your values but can also influence the long-term value of your investments. Support genuine artists and authentic works to promote a healthier NFT ecosystem. By understanding these risks and rewards, you're better equipped to make informed and ethical decisions in your NFT investment journey. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of digital art investing. Stay informed, stay cautious, and embrace the exciting world of NFTs. And that's a wrap on our NFT guide. As we wrap up, remember that investing in NFTs is like embarking on a futuristic journey in art and technology. Armed with the insights from this guide, you're all set to explore the exciting world of NFTs. For more groundbreaking strategies in the digital economy, don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online. Dive into the world of NFTs and transform your digital curiosity into a lucrative venture.